Hello. Okay, any one of you, can you please confirm whether I'm audible or not? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
I am Gupi Mohan Barman from Malagor English Medium ACC School, Tripura, Sibai Jala.
Okay, sir. So I'm audible to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Hello, sir.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
है सर.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
है सर. मैं गुपी मोहन बर्मन. हाँ सर, मेलागोर इंग्लिश मीडियम ACC स्कूल.
Okay.
हाँ सर. है सर. ऑडियो तो अच्छी तरह नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, fine, sir. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
अच्छा आवाज. Okay, ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, sir. Is it fine now?
ठीक है सर.
Okay. Okay, welcome to all of you for this webinar session. Okay, this ATL webinar series which we are conducting to tell you about the different things. So in the previous webinar, we have discussed all about microcontrollers, how you will use Arduino. Okay, then we have gone through with all the connection pins. Then we go to the digital pins and analog pins and all those things, right? Okay, so in this session, we are going to discuss the next topic. Okay, I can say a next technology, that is mobile development. Okay, the motive of this session is to tell you how you can create a mobile app, right, which will solve a problem, right? Because at the end, our motive is to solve a problem, right? In ATL method also, they are looking, they have given the theme, which you already know what are the different themes, right? And then in that theme, we need to find out the different problem statement, and then we need to find a solution for that. Okay, so we will try to do one thing. We will try to create an app. Okay, through that we are solving one problem, a very basic app, right? So I will just tell you all the things, like how that app will work, what is the platform which you are going to use, right? And if you have any kind of input, any kind of doubt, anything you want to ask, you can ask. Okay, so I hope all set. Any one of you have any doubt related to this? So the platform which we are going to use is very kind of a very popular platform, that is MIT App Inventor. Okay, so let me share my screen with you all. So what I done is, let me just tell you what I'm doing on this. I searched for MIT App Inventor first of all. And after searching for MIT App Inventor, then I click on this option, that is MIT App Inventor. Simple, right? So once you click, if you are a new user, they will ask you, okay, to create your account. So see, if I click on this option, that is create app, now it will ask me to click on the login. Basically, it will show me all the options. So these are the accounts which are associated right now. So you can click any of the options, any of the basically IDs which you want. So I want to sign in with the Google, and this ID I want to do the login. So I will click over here. Okay, so all of you, so this is the platform. It look like this. First of all, on the left hand side, you will see the section of all the components which you can add, right, to make your app. So let's say I want, let me just give an example. So suppose in our app, what you have seen, like what we see in our app, like if I show you a real example of my app, so I can see these icons are there, right? You can see these are the icons, correct? When I click on the icon, one app will open. So let's just say if the app is like this, let me open any app. Let me open a Hotstar. So I click on the app. Okay, now the Hotstar open. Now I can scroll like this. So now the question comes is ki how I can scroll like this? How this up and down thing is happening? See, how can I do up and down? How this scrolling thing is happening? How these buttons are clicked? See, I select one, so now it's opening. Now question comes is ki what are all those components which we use to create an app? Okay, how button work, how label work, how scrolling component work, how we can scroll left to right, up and down. All those things we are going to discuss today. Okay, so let me show you one app which I have created. I will show you with my mobile phone also. So these all apps I have created. Okay, so I'm opening right now this age calculator. Okay, let me show you in my mobile phone how it look like. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Wait a minute. So some problem. Okay, so yeah, let me tell you what you will do in this. So how it works, it's very simple app. In this app, what I'm going to do is there is a mobile phone over here, right? And these all are the components. So first I add a horizontal component, then an image or this find image button. So whenever I click on the find image button, it will drag me to the next screen. So there is a different kinds of, so where I can write my birth date, birth time, and I can find my image. So this kind of app, right, which is having like multiple kind of views, okay, which help us to do the different things. I can create with the help of this thing. Okay? Details. Okay, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. I hope you can see now. Okay, so this is what we need to do. This is the app, mobile app. So this we are going to create, right? So let's just start this app. Let me tell you how we create this app. So first, what you need to do is, first step is you will click on the MIT App Inventor, right? And from the MIT App Inventor, we'll do one thing, we'll create a new project. Okay. So I will click on this option that is start a new project. And let's just say the name of this project is Flashlight app. Okay. For me, it's saying, so let me just write over here for ATL. Now the first step is, let me tell you what I have here. This is a dummy font, you can think like this. Okay. So basically it will tell you how the real app work in your phone or how it look like in your phone. First thing. Second thing is these all are the components. So these are the user interface components, the component which help us to interact, right? So let's say but we interact with the button, we interact with the checkbox, we do the check, okay, check this. We mostly interact with the images. These all come under the user interface. Then we have a layout, like how I want to put my thing. Okay, that come under this. Okay. Then media, like how I want to add, let's say video, I want to add a images, all that can come under this video option. So drawing, animation, maps, chart, sensor, social storage, connectivity. These are n number of things you can do with this, right? So you can create that kind of app also in which you are adding the map feature. Okay. Let's say in ATL Marathon, you are creating something which uses a GPS, right? And whatever location, whatever things you're getting, you want all the things to come in your mobile app. That you can do, right? You can create an app in which you can add the Bluetooth also. Okay. So if you go over here, connectivity, see, Bluetooth client, Bluetooth server, everything is here. So that Arduino things is also connected over here. Okay, you can control, you can create a that kind of app through which you can control the mobile, through the car you can control. You can get the data from the cloud. That is also over here, right? So you can see n number of things are here. You can do the calling, everything, right? So there is so many features you can add over here. If you know, then definitely you can add. So today I will give you all the glimpse what you can do. We will create an app also. So first step is let's just what we want. We want a flashlight app, right? So for that, I will go to the layout and then I will add a. Okay, now I have option. Horizontal arrangement basically means which will arrange my component horizontally in a horizontal manner. So I don't want a horizontal manner. Let's just say I want my component to come in vertical manner. So I will add vertical arrangement and then I will. Okay, then I will do one thing. I will change the height and width to that. Okay. Okay, and then see what I done is very simple. You first add the component. Whatever component you will add, that will come over here. These are the component list which you have added. So at first, by default, the screen number one is there. Okay. Whatever things you are adding inside the screen number one. So this is the top layer, and inside the top layer, I added this vertical element. After that, every component is having its own property. You can think like this: suppose let's say if I am different, right? Okay, so my son will be different from me. So might be like little properties are same, but some properties will be different. So every component is having its own property. Okay, some property can be common, like background color will be there. Okay, there will be a height or width option, but there are things like this. Okay, now I hope this part is clear. Can I get yes or no? See how you will add the component. In chat, if I get a message, yes, any doubt in this? Okay, now thank you so much. Now the next part is after adding a component. Now what I want? I want a simple flashlight app in which what I will do, I will go to user interface and I will add a button. See, I'm adding two buttons. Any guess what this button will do? Any one of you? Any guess what this button will do? I have added two buttons. So just think like this in a flashlight app. What is the use of this button? Very good. That will be like on or off, correct? So what I will do, I will just click on the button one. Now just think like this. Now I put these buttons, I put both my buttons inside the vertical arrangement. Okay. And now what I will do, I'm going to change the property of a button. Suppose if I want to change the height of the button. So it's very simple. I want to change this, just click, you see the property, change the height. Suppose if I want my height to be, now there is a different option like automatic height, fill parent, pixels and percent, right? So percent basically means let's say this is 100% of the screen, right? And you want to consume half of the screen, that is 50% of it, right? Pixels again depends on the mobile size, right? You can see over here, it's 505,320. So accordingly, you can just see the pixel. The height is 505, this is 320. But this also vary depending on the size of the mobile, right? If your mobile size is big, this will definitely vary. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will change the height. We'll adjust it 30%. I will change the width to again say 30%. Wait, I can do like 20% for this. Okay. So width 20. No, increase it more. This is better. So what I done is I changed the height to 30% of my screen and I changed the width to 40%. Now what I will do, I want a color. So see, you have seen whenever we want to start anything in traffic light also, what color we use? Green color, right? So I'm going to use the same color, same convection I can say. Okay. I will make it bold and I will change the font size to let's say 60. Now what I will do, I will change the text size to let's say on. Okay, let's say like this, flash light on. Okay, flashlight on, and again I will do the same thing for this button. So those who are doing, you can do. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, now I will do the same thing for this button. Yeah, okay, very good question. I got a question that can we make a button now? Yes, we can do, but to some extent. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the shape and I will change it to rounded. So there is an option like rounded, there is an option like rectangular, there is an option like oval. This you can do oval shape, you can do rounded, or you can do rectangle. Okay, same thing I will do for this. Let's just say, yes, I will be font I will be, okay, I'm not changing the font size, I'm not done it. So height in the previous one I changed to 30 and width I changed to 40. Okay, same thing I have done. Now what I will do, I will change the shape to, okay, this is rounded and if I will write flashlight off. And I will give the color that is red, strong color. See how it look like. It means, okay, I created an app in which I add two buttons, right? And right now the button is shifted towards the left side, so that I will look into it. But right now, just see the basic thing, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, we can do. But for that, we need to write a condition. We need to write a condition like if condition we need to write, and every time we need to check the status of the button, whether it is on or off. We can do. I have created that kind of app also, in which there is only one button. Okay, so any other doubt, any one of you? Let me take some doubt from YouTube also. So any doubt, those who are watching us from the YouTube? Okay, let's just go to the coding part of it. Let's just understand the coding. Now see, everything which we want to do now, for that I need something. Basically, okay, let's just say if I want to on or off the flashlight, so just see in the backend, whenever I'm pressing the button, there is something in the mobile which is going to change, right? So I need to add some component, it will do. So let me just find it, and if you find it, then you will not find any component, okay, which will help you to on or off the flashlight. Okay, there will be no component like that. So in that case, right, there is, see what I told. I told that there is so many things you can do with the MIT app inventor, but there is something which you can add also. You see, just think like this, see, there is few extensions which we are already added. Extension basically means the extended thing. So if something is not here now, don't worry. Go to the Google. Okay, I will go to the Google and I will search like this. Flash, okay, flashlight MIT extension. Okay, see, I will simply search like this. Oh, wow, I got it. I got an extension. We just think like this for every problem because MIT is that much popular or that much I can say like open source. Okay, so you will get and you will get support also. You will get solutions also. So I got this extension, the flashlight extension. Okay, for every extension, you need to go down and then you need to download this file. So one is the extension file that is AIX file. So I will click here. I will download the AIX file. So it is saying your download will start shortly. So done, it is download. Simple. Okay, if you want, you can do this. Okay, any doubt in this? Are you able to find this AIX file? Okay, so let's just see how this app will look like in my mobile phone. Yeah, okay. So if I go to MIT App Inventor, okay. I will now in the MIT App Inventor, there is an option. You can scan your app. I will show the scanning, but let me show you till this point see how my app will look like. So let me scan my code. So I know you are not able to understand how you are scanning the code, that's all things. But it's okay, I will tell you everything. You go to the details and I will tell you everything. Just see, this is how it look like. There's two buttons, flashlight on, flashlight off. Okay. Now let's just go to again in the MIT App Inventor. How I connect it? I go these two options over here. First is the connect option. Second is the build option. Connect option is for the testing purpose. Suppose I want to test my app. I want to see the recent progress which you have done, or I want to see how this part is working, right? So in that case, you need to click on the connect, click on the AI companion, and you need to download one app in your mobile phone that is called MIT App Inventor, which you will easily find from the Play Store. If you search in the Play Store, this, and if you search for, let's say, MIT App Inventor, this is the app which you need to download. Okay, and once you will download it, you will get like this. You will get like this. Okay, MIT, this one. So right now I already I done the connection part, that is why it is coming. In your case, it will come like this. Let me do one thing, let me reset my connection. So now in the mobile phone, it will come like this. Once you will click, it will show you the option connect with the code or scan QR code. Now the question comes is how we get the code. So go to the MIT, click on the connect, click on the AI companion. It will show you both the things, code also or scan also. If you want, you can do the scanning. So let's say if I can do the scanning, okay, the scanning. So once you will do the scanning, this is on. Simple. I hope this part is clear how you will do the scanning and how you will run your app. Any doubt in this part? Anyone of you? Any doubt? Yes, you can find it in the App Store also, or it is available in the Play Store also. Okay, so whether you are using iPhone or whether you are using like Android phone, in both the ways you will find it. Now the question comes is, okay, you told us that there is no component in the MIT App Inventor with the help of that we can on or off the flashlight. Okay, that is why we have added the extension. Okay, now how we will add the extension? That is a question which is coming into your mind. So go to the extension, click on the import extension, click on the choose file, and what you will do, you will select your component and then click open import. Okay. Once I will do this, you will see the component is added over here. Let me tell you again. I come down, I find the extension option. The extension which I have added, I added over here, and then what I will do, I will drag and drop. So now I added the extension on this. Now the next step is, I will do one thing. I will go to the block. Go to the block. You click on the button one. So button one is my on button, right? Okay, yeah, button is saying no on button. Okay. Now one more thing. If you are confusing, right? See what is the name of the button? How you will find it now? Very simple step. Go here in the button one. There is an option called there is an option called rename. This is my on button, right? Let's just type over on. Then this is my off button. Let's just change to off button. Okay, like this. Then I will go to the block. And now it is very easy for me to understand this is the on button. And there is one more button called off. Okay. So now what I will do, whenever the on button clicks, Typhoon flashlight on, just drag and drag. And the best part of this MIT App Inventor is it's a block code, right? Which is super easy to understand. Okay, through this you can easily understand all the logic without stucking in the basically the syntax part, right? So in the textual programming, what we do is we stuck in the textual part, how we write this line, what is the indentation, if the spacing is done wrong, that kind of thing. Right? In this, you don't need to worry about it. It's a block coding. Just do whatever you want to, right? Okay, don't worry about the basically syntax, the spacing, and all. Everything will be done here. What you need to do is you need to think. Okay, I can add this. What happen if I add this block? How this add will work? That kind of thing. You can do. So on button click on, and what I will do whenever off to come over. Okay. Now if I click the connect again, if I click on the AI companion, it will show me connect to companion. Now I'm showing my mobile phone. Click on the MIT App Inventor. Let me do one thing. Let me remove this. I destroyed the app now. And again I will go to the MIT App Inventor and I will scan this. So now I will scan the code. I scan the code, it is coming like this. Now let's see will it work or not. Yeah, it's coming. And now whenever I click the button, it's flashlight on, I press on. Okay. Oh, it's not working. I press the off button. You can see the color is changing, but it's not working. So basically, there's something wrong with the code. Okay, who will tell me what is wrong in the code? Any one of you from the YouTube? Who will tell me what's wrong with the code? What I have done wrong? Any one of you can find it out. I got one answer. There is no link. Maybe. No. It's not link. If you see the block now, I have added the wrong block, right? Both are saying when button one click, means whenever I click the button, what it will do, it will call the Typhoon flashlight on. In both we are calling the same function. Very good, perfect. Yes, Ushana correct. In both the way we are calling the same thing. We are calling the same function. Okay, that is to on the flashlight. Let me just change it. So you need to click over here and drag and drop the next function. So this is how it will work. On button click, Typhoon flashlight on button click, Typhoon flashlight on. Okay. And I can do one more thing. I click on the AI companion. This I told you multiple number of times, right? Okay. Now let me just tell you for the build. If you click on the build, now there is two options, .apk and .aab. Now .apk is supported in the Android phone, right? So we can click on this option and we can download it, right? So now you have two options. First is to test your app. After once your testing is completed, your app completed now, you can download that app. Okay, you can install that app in your mobile phone, and forever you can use that app. So think like this now. It is now think like this is very cool, right? You're creating your own app. You are using that own. You are using your own app. So it's very cool, right? It's very safe also. Okay. So this is how you create an app, right? Okay, with the help of MIT App Inventor. Let me just show you few of my apps which I have created. Let me show you now. So we can create this kind of app also, that is math calculator. I have created a basic math calculator here. So scan the QR code. Now the code is coming over here. There will be no security concern. Okay. For one time, you need to allow your app to download from the unknown source. But I mostly say, see, if you know the unknown source now, here the unknown source is you have created your app, right? You have created one app. So why we think about it is from the unknown source. Yes, when you download the .apk file, your Android will Android will give you a kind of pop-up. If you are downloading from the unknown source or it might be harmful, that kind of thing. But again, you are the creator of that app. It will not be harmful for you. Okay. So yeah, it's simple calculator. Wait a minute. There's something wrong with it. There's some problem with it. Some things are not. Reverse method. Okay, I got a question. If we create our app it will be available in Play Store? Question mark. Yeah, it can be possible, right? It is possible that whatever app you are creating, it is available in the Play Store. What I'm saying is that you can create your own app, right? And it is fun to use your own app, correct? And you can solve multiple number of things. And one more thing, you can also add your app in the Play Store. Not only in the Play Store, you can add your app in the Amazon App Store also. So that is also possible. There is some problem actually. Wherever I have added this string now, this string is not coming over here. That is why I'm continuously changing the photo. Peak. This peak is not coming. Can you see? It's not coming. Like the real app which I want, it's not coming. What is it like over here? This button is also not working. What's wrong with this page? Let's do it. Just wait a minute. Let me just try with the other way. Okay, so this basically to tell you like you can create your own app. But now, if you want to create your own app also, no, you can go to our code, okay, our full course on app development. In that, you will find like there's like 30 to 40 applications which we have created, and all the applications are very interesting. Just see this application which you have created, but I don't know for some reason facing some issue. The roll the dice app, right? You can see the app like bill generator, chatbot. This kind of app we have created. Just run it again. Oh wow, this is working. See? This is roll the dice. One is coming. So I just need to shake my phone, and we have created this kind of app also. Suppose if you don't have this, what do you call it? The dice is not there. So you have created that kind of app, so that you just need to shake it and you will get a different number. So Ludo is also possible. Okay. And many such app like this we have created. Very important app, like water reminder app. Very useful app, right? So Pongo, collect the coin, fun with the map. So there's so many things which you have created. Okay. Share the code for what? See, in this now there is no code. Like there is a block coding on this part, right? This is a block coding. So there is no such code like that. So this is 10 divided by 9. So you can submit a question, or let's just say if I write the answer 1, then submit, try again. This is the wrong answer, right? Next. 8 plus 8 is 16. I submit. Congratulations, your answer is correct. this kind of mathematics question, this kind of questions, which will help you for the education, right? This this app can come under the category of education section, right? We can create a tourism app in which we are adding all the detail of particular place, all the basically, let's just say if I add all the temples, all the monument which is in that place, and I can add the map of it. They do that possibilities, n number of possibilities you can do with it. Okay. And we are here, right, to help you in that. All of you. There is, if you go to the search for the STEM logo element, I'll show you. This is our element. Yes, you can create any app with the help of this. Definitely. So, okay, what I'm saying is one more thing. So, what you can do is you can go to the STEM logo learn in the Play Store. There is an app called STEM logo learn, right? Where these courses are free. This is that STEM logo learn. Open it, sign up over here, right? Do the login, enroll in the course, and learn the MIT element. Okay, damn simple. So there is number of possibility which you can avail. Okay, so right now, any doubt, anyone of you want to ask anything related to this? Yes, you can create games also. If you want, I can show you the games which I have created. So we have created so many things. Okay. Language translator, music player app, timetable app, language translator, face lock app, country flag, phone call app, UI calculator, guess the number, intensity app, management app, so expense management app, ping pong game, feed the ant, this is the game, tribute app, so hand drawing app, editor app, so many things you can do. There's n number of possibilities you can do. Okay. And there is one-stop solution for that. That is, go to the Play Store, download the STEMable Learn app, do the sign in, and just explore all the possibilities you can do in this. The course name is mobile app development. Okay, in the STEMable Learn. So go to the STEMable Learn platform. It is available for the website also or the app also. App are also available. Okay. Yes. Anything else you want to ask any one of you? Okay, time for concluding this session. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining this meeting. Okay, that's great for you. And we will have one more session on Friday that will be related to how you will register in the ATL marathon. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye, all of you. Have a good day. Take care. Enjoy your day.